got a call this morning. My brother told me to drop my car off, man, to get the route started, man. Get the route started so he can see how long it's gonna take. I asked him to give me a date, man. He decided not to give me a date, which is understandable. You know what I'm saying? I can't really argue too much with that. He told me that because he don't know with this route right here, he don't know like if the pieces matching up, you know what I'm saying? Anything can happen. We don't want to give y'all another set date. And then turn around, you know what I'm saying? Switching it again. So y'all stay tuned right now here to just do a little regular little car wash, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and wash it up a little bit. Vacuum out the inside, go ahead and have it clean. And then I gotta get an oil change later on, then we're gonna drop it off. So stay tuned within the process, man. Also, the video, man, I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek, man. I'm not gonna tell y'all when the sneak peek gonna be, what the sneak peek gonna be, what part of the video is gonna be in, but I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek in the video, and y'all make sure y'all got it. Gonna be so quick, y'all ain't gonna catch it. But now y'all gonna be looking for it, so y'all still ain't gonna get it. But look, just stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned, folk gang. And man, like I told y'all, man, I told y'all when I get this route, man, it's up, it's up. We just hit 7K too, man, so I appreciate all my subscribers. Y'all keep like, comment, and sharing all my videos, man, so they can get suggestions to other people, man. I appreciate everything y'all got going. So, man, y'all stick with me, I'm gonna stick with y'all, man. This shit real deal content. Like y'all ain't gonna find nowhere else, man. You did and will be.
Something, no matter what, you just be real with me. A lot of shit come with a nigga like me. I just hope that you learn how to deal with me. I only be out with a couple of
Alright, y'all, as I can see, man, I'm currently at the dealership getting an oil change. Don't ask me why I'm back here, man. Can't too many people do that. But yeah, I'm back. I'm currently at the dealership, man, with oil change. Yeah, my car is strictly stock. He got that catch can, you feel me? Black Steel Motorsport. Black Steel Motorsport. Hey. But yeah, man, at Black Steel Motorsport, man, y'all get at him, man. He did my oil change. He put on my catch can. We're gonna see if we can put it on, see if it's gonna work. Sit like right here, I think. Come over being live. What's up, bro?
We got a catch cam up from.
But you just smacked me on my ass, bro.
You know you're a football player, man. You know
What's wrong with you, bro? You being weird, bro.
you're a football player, man.
What's up, bro?
What's all love, bro? Hey, want one of these?
No.
Come on, man. You see all the
What do I look like?
Come on, wear one.
Bro, your shirt say dark horse.
Yeah.
Man, this man needs some help, man.
And then papi chulo.
Papi meñeño.
Chupapi.
Papi meñeño. Oh, he got a little silver. Meñeño.
You want them water, man?
Oh, that's a YouTube.
Bye.
I got you, bro.
You a YouTuber?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, what's your YouTube?
SRT
Can we
Quan.
get some big money? You know? I'm tired of being broke, bro. Can we get some big money?
You tired of being broke? Here, you can have all that. I just dropped some. Get it from them. Here, bro. Hello.
Alright, give him the money. Give him the whole
Hello, bro.
thing.
Hello, bro. He just tried to grab my door. He just tried to grab a whole door.
That boy stuck his hand in the car, bro.
Bro, he just tried to grab a whole door, bro. That shit again, what you say? Man, you did. On game. On game. Y'all can see Police right there. He going back getting everybody tagged. Look.
Quan, you going anytime soon? Oh shit, Quan is here.
Nah, yeah. What's up, bro? Come on.
You got to clean that car?
Yeah, I got it.
Still black after your bomb, but I promise y'all. Ain't no boy got next to me, but this ain't no fucking
He backed into my man's car. Where's he backed into his car? He's trying to talk.
Okay, who? Okay, I got the short.
My bad. He was my bad.
I didn't know he was backing out. He's trying to check
I didn't know. My bad.
Just like you.
My fault on that.
No, that's what I'm saying. I have the short. I don't got no problem with that. If I knew that if you did, then I would have stopped. You know what I'm saying? But we all trying to get in see the shit just like y'all. You see what I'm saying? All right, so but I have the short. My shit is the short. Okay, come on.
When we got swinging, when we got El Camaro, you swinging him?
Yeah, but
Alright, come on, finish. You got blocking, see, it's not fucking wrong.
Okay, my bad.
That police car to make sure that you can. I got a horn too. What the fuck you trying to do? No, don't send me to jail, no. I gotta go to work tomorrow. I got fire. I don't got no more.
tripping. You gotta hit them. Yeah, you gotta hit them, boy. Yes, sir. Don't be no highlight. Don't be no highlight.
Hey, come on, we go.
Hey, turn on. Let's do it. Yeah. Turn on.
We good.
He good. Hey, he in the pit. Hey, take that shit over, Steve-O. Take it over, Steve-O. No, take it over, Steve-O.
You good, dummy? You good? All right, that's okay.
That's a newer joint too.
up. I need y'all to back the fuck up. Back up. You got another point here? Hell yeah. Me and Rude Boy going in. Hey, Rude Boy.
The charger, that's my people's? The charger got hit? All right, I'm making sure you good. That's it.
No, don't make my people. Hey, yo, I need y'all to watch out. Y'all trying to go? Where y'all trying to go? Say that, come through. Let me go move my car, man. Bro, they in the fucking in it.